Hi, everybody. It's been a little bit. I hope everyone here has been well. You have David and Connor here, and we want to take this opportunity to share with you a few announcements about Para. So we wanted to give you some insight on the direction that Para is heading into and updates that you can expect to see within the app. As many of you know, our mission is to build a better worker-focused gig economy by offering tools needed to support your business, helping you earn more, stress less, and be empowered to make the best informed decisions. Throughout the late spring and summer, we had an amazing opportunity to provide immediate benefit to many of you, most notably those who drive using DoorDash. Through the trip transparency tool, we were able to show our users the exact final payout from DoorDash for every trip. We recognized quickly that this feature would greatly benefit tens and even hundreds of thousands of gig workers. And because of that, we dropped our other plans and began to work full on making the tip transparency function as good as possible. We know that this is important to y'all, so we're going to continue to work hard to do what we can, especially around prediction. But transparency alone is not enough to create this better worker-focused gig economy. Now, it is time that we revisit this original plan and continue to work towards this end goal. At Para, we want to provide you with an application that serves as your go-to tool, your one-stop shop where you can manage your gig work in one single place. We're building a personal dispatch system for each user, built to put you in charge, a system that scans across all opportunities that are relevant to you and your preferences and accomplishes what you set out to do. Beginning this last week and continuing over the next few months, new and existing users will recognize some changes within the app. This comes as we are growing our internal team and building new features. What may be most noticeable is that our app will be split into two main categories: the daily gig working tools and new earning opportunities. So the daily gig working tools will range from what you're already used to, such as the DoorDash tip predictor, other platforms, etc., to brand new tools to help you meet your goals and help relieve the stress that comes from running your own business. Features that we'll launch will range from earnings and mileage trackers, tax preparation tools, and the ability to accept or decline offers from multiple apps, all within the Para app, easily with the tap of a button. So now for the exciting things, I just want to hand it over to Connor, our Director of Operations, to share a little more about the new earnings opportunities that I mentioned. We're calling this ParaWorks.
Thanks, David. Hey, all. In short, we know that our users' times and your times is valuable, and we want to make the most of that. Last week, we launched a new feature that will connect qualified users to new earning opportunities. Currently, we have opportunities available throughout California, and we are working on finalizing partnerships with gig worker-friendly companies, which would allow us to expand into new cities. Whether you're looking for new on-demand work or sign up for hourly blocks, we will now connect you with new work. These opportunities will vary from package, item, and food delivery to product merchandising, which is simply visiting grocery stores, department stores, convenience stores to reorganize certain brands on their shelves to make it look appealing and visually acceptable. Eventually, Para will be the one-stop shop for everything you need. However, to begin, the Para team will be in communication with you, sharing the most important in-depth details on the job in real time. ParaWorks is the next step that Para is taking to build a personal dispatch system for each user, built to put you in charge and a system that scans across all opportunities that are relevant to you and your preferences. If you haven't already and are interested in learning more about ParaWorks, visit the Works section of the app, input your information, choose your city, and you'll receive an email with more information. If you don't see your city, at the very bottom, please select Other, still put in your information, and you'll be added onto our email list. Now, thank you so much. I'll hand it back over to David.
Thank you, Connor. We're super excited to get these opportunities in front of y'all. I spent a lot of time this weekend testing out these new opportunities, particularly the merchandising one. I thought it was super cool because you get paid $5 to $10 per store, It's a relatively quick job, and because of the fact that they're not super time sensitive, I was able to stack them into the existing delivery work that I do already in a very efficient manner. So excited to get that in front of you all and to put some dollars in your pockets, hopefully. I just want to take this chance, as always, to thank you for being a part of our movement. Together, let's build a worker-focused gig economy now.